An angle in geometry is a shape that is formed by two rays originating from a single point in space. Here we have acquired an angle that is two rays originating from one point. Let this point be O. Let us consider the ray OA as the ray OB. In this particular scenario, we can determine the angle AOB. Point O is called the vertex of the angle. The rays OB and OA are called the sides of the angle. Typically, the angle is denoted as shown. The angle AOB is clearly marked and can be easily identified. In the middle, a letter is placed, which is the vertex. Sometimes they simply write at the top, that is just angle O. Also sometimes denoted as follows. If this ray is denoted by the lowercase letter a, and this ray is denoted by the lowercase letter b, then this angle can be denoted as angle AB. Frequently, it is more convenient to utilize either this or this designation. For instance, suppose we have an angle, and suppose we have another ray drawn from point O, suppose OC. Then it will be incorrect to denote the angle AOB as the angle O, because we already have three angles with the vertex O, namely the angle AOC, the angle COB, and the angle AOB. In this case, it's more convenient to use this designation with three letters. Consider another type of angle. Assume we have a line and a point marked on it, say point O. This is the best OA, this is the best OB. As per the definition, we have received two rays emanating from one point. However, in this particular case, all the points lie on the same line. An angle that has one side as an extension of the other side is known as a reflex angle. To put it in different terms, the angle formed by the rays AO and OB, which is referred to as angle AOB, is classified as a reflex angle. Now let's note the following. If we have an angle, it divides the entire plane into two parts, namely the inner part of the angle and the outer part of the angle. This is the inner portion as well as the outer portion. Frequently, the shape created by an angle and all points located within it are also referred to as an angle. For instance, in this location we can indicate point E, in this specific spot. Let's say point D. E is in the angle's interior, D is in the angle's exterior. Inner and outer parts are discussed only if the angle is not turned, or else it loses meaning. Let's consider such an example. How many angles are formed when two straight lines intersect? Suppose we have line A. It intersects line B at point O. Let us consider this scenario for our analysis. Question. How many angles did we obtain? We can calculate as follows. In the first place, we have a grand total of 4 undeveloped corners, specifically one corner, this second corner, the third corner, and the fourth corner. If we also consider the obtuse angles, we will have more of them. For example, here it is, the extended angle formed by line A. Or for example, the obtuse angle of line B. We can also consider the angle from this side for B and the angle from this side for line A. But we are not interested in obtuse angles. When two lines intersect, there are 4 undeveloped angles. This video is complete.